if you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming as quickly as possible. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official CD Projekt Red website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the cloud save feature may be done due to maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your game launcher CMCOG or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the cloud save issue. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Update the game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance, including issues related to cloud saves. Check for updates in your game launcher and install them if available. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to CD Projekt Red support for further assistance.